With the universe deep within her, she shapes a cosmic blueprint where harmony and power intertwine, balanced like the sacred Sri Yantra. From ancient architecture to woven fabrics, what if tradition could evolve? What if it could merge seamlessly with the precision of modern fabrication? With this thought, I embarked on a journey to create something divine, a fusion of digital craftsmanship and timeless heritage. I explored materials and patterns, weaving tradition into the digital realm. Each layer unfolded like a whispered prayer, echoing stories of the past, reimagined through the threads of light and texture. This process became a way to honor heritage while embracing the tools of today. A dance between existence and artistry where precision meets fluidity, where heritage meets modernity, where light meets shadow. A space where balance is not just sought but celebrated. Introducing to you the goddess. She is power. She is majestic. She is radiance. She is timeless. She is fierce. Eternal. Nurturing. Bold. Elegant. She's playful. She's boundless. She is selfless. She is gentle, unshakable, ethereal. She is the goddess within you.